Hello class, it's Mrs. Durst, and today we are going to start a very special project. I just came from a fabulous hike in the mountains here in Utah, and it is one of the most beautiful places in all the world, and it inspires me to want to paint the mountains and the beauty of where we live. We are going to work on something called Sun Over the Mountains, Sunrise Over the Mountains. It is going to be a study in all of the lines that we've talked about, curved lines, halo lines, angle lines. We just won't be doing a lot of straight lines with this one, but it will help us reinforce what we've learned about lines. So if you can look here, you can see some curved lines for the hillsides, some extreme angle lines here with the mountains, and then some halo lines in the sky for our sunrise. And we will, in this lesson, be working on drawing and finishing our lines together. So in this video, what we need is our piece of watercolor paper, which is about 12 by 15 inches. This template, and in this video, we're just going to be working in pencil. In the next video, we will be bringing in that Sharpie marker. So let's get started. Let's visualize what we are working on. Oh, good, it worked. You just never know. Okay, so here we have our paper, and it is structured or situated in a vertical line, not horizontal. So it's tall versus long, okay? And the first thing that we are going to do is decide where we want our sun to orientate itself. You could put it in this part of the sky over to the left. You can bring it over to the center of your sky if you want a very centered sun in your sky, or you could bring it over here to the right. You do want it up here in the top part of your work. That way you will have enough room to place your mountains and your hillside. So on this particular piece, I'm going to put my sun circle over in the left area of this piece. And I'm using my pencil, and I'm using the template to get my sun started. And there it is, okay? I'm gonna press a little stronger so that you can see those lines through the camera. All right, there we go. All right, so still in pencil. If you wanted to draw your own circle, please do. You want it about 4 to 3 inches, 3 fingers across up here, all right? Then the next thing that we're going to work on are the curved lines at the bottom, which represent the hills leading up to our mountains. And really, they're just curved lines, such like this. And I'm gonna put one right here, and I'm gonna put a skinny one over here. Just a few curved lines for the hillsides, okay? Then we are going to put in our first mountain. Our first mountain is a bit close to us, so it will be a big one, and you just need to put an angle line. Okay, and notice I left some space in between my hillsides. You don't have to do that, but I did, because I think I'm going to put a few more little hill bumps there. Now you can put in other mountains in the background. See how I gave it another angle line there? And then I'm going to do an angle line here. Okay, so I have 3 mountains at this point. Now I could put more mountains in there if I'd like, but I kind of like the 3 tall mountains. And then I think I'm going to put a small mountain here and perhaps the beginnings of another one going that way. Okay? Now, because this didn't go all the way down to this line, I am going to put one more hillside that goes kind of in that direction. And I think I'm going to just take the line of this mountain down to this hillside. And there you go. There is the hills that are curved lines, your mountains that are your angle lines. And now we're going to work up here in our sky. And what we want to do is create halo lines. Now, please leave some space between the sun and the line. You want at least 2 fingers or so space in between all of your halo lines, or so. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you need to be able to fit a paintbrush in between these lines, and that's why we are doing this. And you just take the halo lines. So imagine this one goes behind this mountain and comes out over here. And then if it kept going, I'd still see a little halo line right there. Okay. So the next halo line. Now, I see this. This doesn't look right, does it? This halo line looks a little quirky. So I'm going to fix it, because guess what? We are using pencil right now. Pencil allows us to erase. It's magic. Ta-da. Now, that feels better to me. And the nice thing is you can be very free with using your eraser while you are using your pencil. So I've got another halo line that's going to happen back here. It'll follow through to the back, and then it'll come out up here. Ta-da. And that same halo line probably comes over here. So you're following these halo lines behind your mountains. I'm behind my mountain, and then I engage. And then keep going out here. And then I'm going to bring one that comes, I think this one is going to be a fat one. Put that out there. And that'll be my last one. So we've used, just for review, curved lines, angle lines, and circle lines. So work on the pencil drawing portion of this, and then come to the next video and where we will work on the next part. So that is, I'm gonna give you a close-up like this. Yeah, it's looking good.